Would you like to have better spinal health, brain health, stronger immune system, and balance out your chi energy in your body? Well, it's really not that hard to do. And I'm going to be holding a workshop on November 14th, Sunday, November 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to address all those things that I just said, and plus quite a bit more actually. And we're going to be doing that within 1 hour. And we'll be doing the 3 hearts, 9 gates, or also known as the 8 brocades. Now to register, just go to Eventbrite. I'll put the link below. Also, you can find us on growthisadecision.com as well. And we're going to be accomplishing a lot in a short period of time, but you're going to have the tools to really, going forward, maintain your spinal health, your brain health, your strengthening of your immune system, and balancing out your body's chi energy. I'll look forward to seeing everyone there November 14th, and just watch for the link below, and we'll talk to you on the 14th. We'll see everybody then. Have a great day.